Hi, my name's Dave Jennings. I'm one of the technical advisors for Aico. What I'm going to be doing today is to introduce the deaf alarm kit for the hearing impaired. First thing you need to do is to insert the battery into the back of the unit. So if you get to the back of the unit, undo the hinge, and as you can see the battery connector in there. So once you put your battery connector into there, you can then insert the battery into its resting place, and then you can then put the cover back on. Once that's happened, then what you can do then is get your vibration pad connector and put that into the back of the unit. This particular unit is a mains powered unit, so it does come with an adapter which then just plugs into your socket. Hence, it's when we'll get you the green LED lights. With it being RadioLINK, it can be connected wirelessly to all your smoke alarms. So once you do get an activation through the alarm, it will then set off the strobe and the vibration pad, which I can demonstrate just by pressing the test button on the deaf alarm kit itself. What you can do is to house code it to the rest of the alarms to the system. So as you can see, there's the house code button on the side. So you just need to get your small testing screwdriver, put your screwdriver into that slot until you get the solid blue. Take your screwdriver out, and it should then flash once every so often. Then you can go into your next device and start house coding.